So, so this indicator, we have to use this indicator, and definitely you are going to make this many pips for sure. I'm just guaranteeing you because there are many experienced trader who will not say their secret, guys. And I'm actually searching for every strategy, every indicator, buying like thousands of dollars. I'm buying courses, I'm buying indicators, but I'm telling you the truth today. I never got a proper indicator or a proper, good thing that I can make money. I never got that until I found out one. So this is just not like other guys who are saying you can make money, but this is very simple. Even children can make money. That's why I'm saying I'll show you another one. Okay, here you go. This is GBP JPY 15 minutes chart. And if we could have take this trade even at this, let's say even at this here, we could have made even say 54 pips. This is very simple strategy, and the indicator will draw everything for you. You just need to wait for breakdown and breakout. That's it. So breakout, I think this trade will blow your mind. Yeah, just wait all the indicators. Okay, here we go. Long position. So this breakout is important for us. So we will calculate pips from here, and it's almost we made 64 pips. So yeah, in my course, I'm going to tell there are few tricks here that you should know. There are few tricks. If you know them, then this one is going to give you lots of tips. Okay. So if you are a beginner, this is where I'm going to start my course. So you can go to tutorials topstockresearch.com, and you can find these tutorials, and all over the internet you can find this, but I'm just going to tell you a little bit how I'm going to take my classes. So I'm just going to take group and one-on-one classes to give you clear idea, because I also know where I come from, right? I know your pain. I know there are many people who are losing their money. So I want to help you guys. And this strategy, believe me, this one is going to give you a lot of tips for sure. So this strategy that I'm giving in our signals group in Discord. So this one will help you a lot. So we have, if you don't know, in case if you don't know, I'm just going to tell you there is a line chart, there is a bar chart, and there is a candlestick chart. So hope you guys know already. But line chart, we can see it for a direction, a trend direction, that where it can go, or whether it's going downwards or upwards. And the bar charts, it's really very difficult for me. Many traders trade this with this kind of charts, but mostly we are going to trade candlestick chart because it's very easy to find, and it's very easy to predict and analyze. So the one thing you should know is opening and the closing price of the candle. So we have a wicks of the candle. There is a body. This one we can call it as body. This one is, so yeah, this one is a body, and this one is a wick. Okay, so for a uptrend, here the candle opens and here the candle closes. So I'm just going to give you just small idea. Here you can study everything, but yeah, I'm going to explain you clearly with drawings and all in in my classes. And if you already know all these things about the candlestick patterns, and one more thing I'm going to teach you is uh, swing highs and swing lows. So for example, what is swing high and what is swing low? Just going to take a brush. Yeah. So this one is called a swing low. This one. Okay. And sorry for my drawings, but yeah. And we can take this one is a swing high. This one. And there is more practical because I want to teach you in a practical way that that will change you. Okay. That will understand more. So this one is a swing low. So this one is a swing low. And what is swing high? Here you can see this one is a swing high, and this one is a swing low. And here you can see this one is a swing low, and you can see this side. It's a swing high here. So basically, I'm just going to teach you these things. This is one thing. Yeah, whatever. So I'm going to teach you about swing lows and swing high, and I'm going to teach you about anti-climax and deceleration straight setup. Then I'm going to teach you about, let me go to on our chart. So I'm going to teach you the trade setups where you should take a good trade setup. Okay. I'm going to teach you the shapes of the trades where you should take a trade. So this is a W shape. Let me show you again. I'm going to teach you personally because you will understand more what I'm going to do. So this is W, right? From here to here, W. Breakout is equals to buy. So kind of stuff like this. And there are many things that you should know, guys, because many won't teach all these things. And this is M, breakdown is equal to sell, and some kind of these things. I'm sorry, there is this indicator. Um, so I'm going to teach those things about the shapes and how you should the breakouts and breakdowns. And this is our strategy. This is our indicator, which gives a good signal. The green one, you can see how bullish it is. So yeah, as we already saw that. So it's almost went to 60 pips in just 2 hours time. I guess. So let's go to 15 minutes and check this out. Yeah, one, two, three, four, five, 6 candles. 6 candles means yeah, 1 hour, 1.5 hour. So which means um some 70, some 80 minutes. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, it finished like 1.5 hour. Within 1.5 hour, within 90 minutes, we made 60 pips. And as I showed you, I'm going to teach you this one clearly. You will understand more well. This one went just 120 pips, which means in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. Again, in 90 minutes, we already made 120 pips, which is crazy. So doesn't matter you are a beginner or you are a whoever in the market, but the only thing that matters is are we going to make money or not? That's it. So if you are a beginner, very easy. This indicator will give you good pips. You just need to take trades here, and I'm going to explain everything in the training course. And yes, I'm going to explain everything about these candlestick patterns, the trend lines, how you should trade, and where to take place the trade, and all the stuff. Okay, so hope you guys understood, and I'm going to uh, explain you about TI community. Uh, you and one more thing is you can able to make zero to hero in this course because these pips are not easy, guys. For even experienced traders, it's not easy to bring this 120 pips in just 90 minutes. That's impossible. That's impossible. So let's just assume that we took trade here 70 pips in just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within 1 hour 15 minutes. 70 pips is not so easy, but with this indicator it's very easy. So I made it very clear. I searched so many other traders who are trading but never satisfied because they just teach us what is the market, what is the candles, and they will never say us you should trade like this. You should trade, you should place a trade here. They will never teach. They will say, do your analyze, just go it and practice. That's it. But I'm going to give you here one strategy. Um, that's my favorite strategy in the world, I guess. And see, always there will be very less risk in this. So we are going to risk below 30 pips, guys. So if you are in Discord, you have already noticed that we'll be risking only 25 pips, maybe somewhere like 26, not more than that. Okay. But the reward you saw now, see, risk to reward ratio is 4.08, which means amazing. So 1:1 would be somewhere here, 20, 29 bits, somewhere here. Yeah. So this is, that's all 1:1. Then not even 1:1, we are going even, more than that 120 bits, which is unstoppable trading you will get. Even if you took a trade here, it would be 70 pips in profit. So there is a small trick in this strategy. I'm going to explain in this um, in my course if you took that. And benefits. What are the benefits if you are taking my course? That may be a question. So so this is October, right? October, November, December. I'm going to give you free signals in Discord. And from January, I'm going to start a membership because it's these signals are worth, guys. These signals are really worth. I want to help everyone, but why? Because in our Discord we have almost 110 members plus, I guess. But mostly, maximum there are only like you guys who are supporting me and encouraging me and chatting there. You guys, making me confident to give you signals and to help you. And there are other members, like 100 members. I don't know where they gone. They just join. Maybe they are taking credits, but they are not interacting. So I'm thinking like, okay, we need only real people who wants to really make money. We need them. So the benefits of this course is even from January, I'm starting paid membership. That's the reason for this. So even if you in paid members in paid membership, I'm going to give you again 3 months free signals. I'm going to guide you. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Like definitely, I'm sure, I'm very confident you guys can make this money. The trading course is only 149. Maybe it's very hard for you, but believe me, trust me, I took courses of thousands of dollars and never gained any profit from that. I just understand their lessons, but there is if there is no strategy, how can I able to make money? I'm just placing buy and sell. Maybe you guys also make placing buy and sell orders, but you guys are not making money. Once you place buy, it's just going into opposite direction. I understand your problems, friends. So my problem is the same before, but now I found this strategy, which is simple. Even if you tell to very small kids, they'll just do this very easily. So yeah, those are the benefits joining in my course and opportunities in future to my students whoever joined. The opportunities will be, you will be if you are doing really good with this strategy, i'm going to ask you to um, I'm going to ask you to give signals in our TI community. Okay. You can give signals in our TI community. So doesn't matter if you are a beginner or starter or whatever. The matter is, are you making money or not? That's the matter. So it doesn't matter how much big strategy it is. It's only matter, are you going to make money? So Definitely with this strategy, we are going to make money. I'm going to give 6 months free signals those who joined, and yeah, we can all together grow. If you have any doubts about the strategy, if you have anything, I'm going to help you in the future. And unity that makes everything possible. That's why I wrote and I sent in our group. Unity is everything. If we are all together in future, definitely we can change few people's life. We can help so many people, and we can definitely help so many people just making money, and we can be rich in future. So let's be unity, and let's do this with real good understanding. This is very cool stuff in trading. Many there is something like in out of 100 people, like 96 people are losing their money in this trading, right? So I'm going to tell you only one thing. Just follow everything what I'm giving signals, or whatever I'm giving in course. I'm sure with this one strategy, it will boom your tips. Okay. I'm just giving signals in other groups like ITM's factory, and I almost give like 1,000 tips. That's really impossible, and I can even give more tips, but there are some mistakes I noticed this month, so I'm going to correcting them. So yeah, overall encouragement for you guys. If you want to make money, I'm telling you, if you really want to make money, uh, let's make money together. You guys can take this course. I'm not forcing anyone. It's just your wish. Take a decision if you really want to, and we can actually make this possible. In future, we can be together, and help so many people in our signals groups and in our community. This one is just starting, and we are going to make more money, more pips. So again, those who joined right now, this is the indicator you are seeing. And today's trade, just now it's running, you can see if we could have taken this trade according to the strategy, it's correct, but I feel like it's risky. But anyway, even if we took this trade, 120 pips is not possible within 90 minutes. And this is only one pair, guys. I'm telling you, this is only one pair. I'm going to show you the other pairs. This is 80 pips is our target every time. So it crossed even 80 pips, 86, and even I think it crossed up to 95, 95 pips. It went. See, almost 94 pips. It went. And another one. There is very bullish market today. So there is small secret here. I'm going to tell you only in the course. So it went up to 64 pips. You may be thinking, we cannot close the trade here. How do we know it will just go only to here? So there is a trick for this. I'm going to explain you in the course. Okay, just don't worry. This is very good. You will understand more in the course. Okay, this is still now we saw three pairs, and it's almost each pair went 80, 120 plus 60, and let's check one more pair. These are my favorite pairs, and this one went up to 77. So let's take only 70 pips. So we can see that s- each pair, let's calculate how many we got. We got 120, and we got 80. We got uh, one is 60. We got one is right now it's 70. Let's assume that. So 1800, 200 pips here, 270, 270 plus 60. I don't know the maths. 270, 280, 293, 330 pips. Okay, 330 pips. 330 pips in just 2 hours. Even for expert trader, I'm telling you, it's not possible for sure. Within 1.5 hour, within 2 hours, these pips are not possible for even a an expert trader. So why I'm just telling this, because not to boost my strategy or anything. This is the truth I'm telling you. Okay, just yeah, follow my signals, learn with them. Definitely, today is October 1st. So from today, if you want to trade in live accounts, go ahead. But I recommend please trade with at least $200 accounts, because it is more helpful for you to, even if that market reversed on your first day, you may not lose like much. So even if you lose $50 in first day, you may not lose, but in case if you lose $50 on your first day, but on the next other days you are going to make it. So there is very good secret on this. I'm going to explain you in our course. So that's it for today, guys. I'm going to explain very good things. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please. I'm asking just a help. And one more thing is, you may not have seen this. I'll just have 7 minutes, 8 minutes. So this is the website I'm going to create. If you are into my course, you will be into this website. Once I upload all the videos, you can watch whenever you want the lessons. And I will be giving you webinars every week. And yeah, there is one good secret here. I just don't want to reveal right now. So yeah, 330 pips. Let's not say exactly 330. Let's just say only we made 200 pips. Let's remove 130 pips away. Let's assume we made only 200 pips on this Monday. I don't know what is this day. I think it's Wednesday, right? So yeah, 200 pips we made on this 1st October. Isn't it crazy, guys? So even if we remove 130 pips away and we just made 200 pips is so much. So with 200 pips means with the standard lot you will be getting $2,000. With the zero point 0.1 lot you will be getting $200. With 0.01 lot you will be getting $20. $20 per day, isn't it enough? For a beginner, for a small account, it's enough. So if you are trading with one lot size, it will be $2,000 in just 1.5 hours. That's crazy. So take your own decision. I'm not going to force anyone. There will be, if you don't took my course, there will be 3 month signals from today, and there will be, if you took my course, there will be 6 months signals free from today. Yeah, up to January, February, March. If you have any doubts, please ask me, and whatever it is, I'll I'll explain you guys. Any doubts if you have on this course or strategy, how many pips I'm getting here? If you want to know about anything about my personal experience, is everything all right, guys? If you understood. So yeah, whoever took my course there, and why? Because they will know, they will understand how to trade. Firstly, they will know how to make the money, and definitely they will make money for sure. And yeah, definitely I'm going to guide you and help you, because I know the what the troubles are in this trading. I came from, very difficult situations, and now I'm making money. So that's really a blessing. That's really great. There are days I have lost even 1 lakh rupees, guys, which means almost $1,200 within one day. I lost $1,200 within one day. I lost. That's so bad. So yeah, I'm sorry I didn't check the chart. Okay, what indicator again? That's okay. This is my personal indicator, which I developed it a little bit about. Okay, this one is the trend, the green line, and the red one is like red candles. So yeah, this is the best example here. So this indicator will give you. the direction of the trend. See here, from here, the direction changes from red to green, and it will give you a buy signal. And here it changes the direction, but not made such shifts. Yeah. So I'm going to explain you in the course, guys, because there is something you should know it here. And this box already it will draw itself. And this one, why is this box and why is this line here? I'm going to explain you in the course. Okay, this indicator has some secrets, has some little bit sense. So I actually back tested it for almost 7 months, I think, and got this much accuracy. Okay, can you mute everyone? Okay. This is awesome, but how do you choose the entry point? Cool, correct. The entry point will be here. The entry point will be here. Okay, the entry point will be this one. There is a trick for this, so I'm going to explain only in the course. I already said. But anyway, the entry point is here. So you may be thinking already this candle cross, so how can I enter? So just wait for a pullback and you might have entered here. Or let's just assume if you took the trade here, even though if you took the trade here, it's going to make you 48 pips. But there is something here that you need to understand. I'm going to explain you on the course. So the group is so serious. Is there any discount to those who attend Zoom meeting? Actually, there is no discount. I'm sorry, but the only thing I can do is to help you giving signals 6 months. So I will guide you if you have any doubts and anything if you want, for next few until March. I'm going to guide you, and then after March, I can see how you guys are trading, right? So you can join into our community and giving signals. So I'm going to pay you if you are good at it. So yeah. So does the indicator come with the course? Yes, it is coming with the course, brother. I'm sorry to this. Yeah. Middle, the group is so okay. So I think we should consider we your early student, of course, definitely, sure, guys. Because the only thing I want to say is making money is important. It doesn't matter the experience, doesn't matter the beginner or you don't know anything about trading. If you just even know this one, I'm giving you guarantee you are going to make definitely 20 pips a day.